Hey, this is Bruce Naylor, your boomer consumer, and this is the Vastking Kingpad S10. As a disclaimer, this was sent to me at no cost by Vastking, over all opinions of my own, and no one has reviewed this video prior to posting. Now, if you'd like to pick one up for yourself, I have the Amazon affiliate link down below, and you can pick these up for just around 150 bucks. So what are you getting for that $150? You're getting a 10-inch Android tablet running version 10 with an 8-core CPU. You're getting a really nice, colorful, bright, full high-definition screen. That's 1080p with 32 gigabytes of storage, a 13 megapixel rear camera, and a 5 megapixel camera in the front. You got a metal body on this, 12-hour battery life. So this tablet is designed for entertainment such as videos, reading books, games, productivity. You can install Microsoft Office on there, email, do all that office work, video conference calls, take photos in your video calls, Skype, Zoom, etc. Entertainment, playing games. This is going to be an ideal device for that type of thing. So who makes this tablet? Well, it's made by Shenzhen Vastking Electronics. They are a huge Chinese manufacturer of a lot of electronics. Never heard of the company before, but once I started doing a little bit of research, they are huge in size and they have tremendous buying power, so they're able to produce high quality electronics at a reasonable price. Now, for those interested in all the detailed specs, I have those in the description down below. Let's go through the unboxing of this tablet. And you'll notice some holes there on the box. That's not their fault. It's not the Postal Service's fault. Here's a picture of the culprit. That's right, it's my cat, Buddy. So when you unbox the tablet, you're going to remove the tablet, you're going to unwrap it, and I tell you, I was immediately impressed with the nice, solid feel of this. It feels premium. It felt very premium in the hands, just like an iPad, really. It has a nice metal body to it. Next, you're going to get the ejection tool for the microSD card slot. This is followed up by a thank you card. Notice a lot of companies are including those in their boxes. A quick start guide. And then you're going to get a user manual. It's very thorough. Comes in English, French, German, Spanish. A card with a free 2-year warranty upgrade on the device. An accessory box that contains the USB charging brick, and that's a 5-volt, 0.5 amp charging brick. And then finally, a Type A to Type C USB charging cable. And that's what you're going to get in the box. Setup couldn't be any easier with this device. It came already charged. I was able to get it going right away. And it's going to ask you to connect to Wi-Fi. Then it's going to check for any updates, which there was a few. The next step is to transfer any data from another Android device. The next step in the process is to sync up with your Google account. And I have 2-factor authentication enabled, so I had to enter a PIN number from my smartphone. Next is going over the various Google services. And then finally, you're going to set your PIN number. The whole process took about 10 minutes. So this tablet is going to give you a nice long battery life, about 12 hours. So that's a full day of use really without recharging. It's got a very bright and sharp display. That's something you don't see on a lot of budget tablets out there. So it's going to be really good for reading text, and the color makes watching video really, really nice. The 8-core CPU means this tablet is fairly snappy, say for playing games or browsing the web. Moving and scrolling is going to be nice and fluid. The 13 megapixel rear camera, well, that's going to make it good for recording videos. And the camera up front, also very handy for conference calls, Skype, Zoom meetings, that kind of thing. They do include a blue filter with this tablet, so that helps with your sleep. Very nice function. You can disable if you wish. I think one of the best features of all, besides the display, that's running stock Android 10, which means that unlike some of the competition here, you're not going to see a bunch of ads. It's not a tool to sell services and products. It is a pure working tablet, and I think that's great. So let's just kind of go over the buttons. On the right side of the tablet, you have the power off and on, volume up and down, and then you have a little reset right here where you can reset the tablet. On the top, you have the micro SD card slot. See if I can get that to hopefully focus on that. Your micro SD card slot, and that's where you use the ejection tool on there. Nothing on the left side of the tablet. And then on the bottom, you have your left speaker. You have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and a USB port on here for your charging. And then you have your other speaker on there. And that is the controls on the tablet. I'm going to go ahead and bring up a video on here so you can kind of see what that looks like. I'll make that full screen. There we go. And, you know, my videos like this are kind of dark in the background. But you can see that it really, really, really looks nice. I'm very pleased with watching videos on here. Whether you're watching movies on Netflix, Hulu, whether you're watching YouTube, it does a really, really great job. You can definitely game on here, no problem. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There you are, bad guy. First time I've loaded up this game. Okay. Okay. There we go. Boom. Yeah, get in there. I'll admit I'm not that good at games. There we go. Anyhow, you get the idea. You can play some nice video games on here. No stuttering. You can see everything is nice and fluid on a video game. No doubt. Yeah, get this guy. There we go. Oh, he's one of ours. Oh, no, no he's not. Ah. There, I got you in the crotch. Okay, anyhow, you get the idea. Now, as far as one of the things that I do with the tablet a lot is to read the news. There we go. And you can see the scrolling very, very snappy on here. The text is nice and sharp, no problem there. Very, very smooth experience. There we go. Boom. There we go. Come on. There we go. Very, very smooth experience. So you can game on here. You can use Skype. You can do all these things. You can do productivity applications. We're talking under $150 for this tablet. And you've got a nice premium feel on here. And as I said, you know, it's stock Android. Get into your settings. There you go. You got your, your connecting Wi-Fi, Bluetooth settings, do not disturb mode, auto rotate, smart saving mode for your battery life. Eye comfort, that is what basically turns off the blue light. I actually prefer it with and on, but I don't use any electronics at least an hour before bedtime. I want to get a good night's sleep, and they'd say blue light bothers you. But kind of like it that way. So it's very snappy. Pre-installed bunch of your Google stuff. You got your Chrome, you got your Gmail, Maps, YouTube Music's already set up here. Google Drive, YouTube, News, Google TV, Photos, all that's on there. And then there's quite a few other applications, including your calculator, camera app, Chrome, etc. It's all included in this tablet. Now, let me go ahead and show you a little clip of video taken with your camera, which I will show you before I do that. Look at the back of the tablet. And there's that really nice high resolution camera for your power, plus and minus for your volume. Little R there for reset on here. It's got the Vastking logo on there. And that is the Kingpad SA10. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this tablet. First off, pros. You're getting a high quality well-made tablet for 150 bucks. Number two, you're getting a nice, bright, colorful, full definition display, 1920 by 1080p. That's important if you want to have crisp looking text and you want nice looking video to watch. There you go. You're getting pure Android. So you're not going to be watching a lot of ads. I won't mention any names, but this isn't designed to sell you a bunch of stuff. This is a working gaming entertainment tablet. You get great battery life. For the last several days, I've been using this tablet. Not one recharge. Is still going strong on the battery. An excellent warranty. Now, I would imagine that that extra 2-year warranty comes with all of them. I'm not sure, but if it does, that is great. What are the cons? The only thing I could really find wrong with this tablet is the speakers are very tinny sounding. Now, I've yet to find too many tablets in this price range with great sounding speakers. You're probably going to want to use headphones, earbuds if you're watching music, movies, listening to music, etc. Those are really the only things that I could find wrong with this tablet. So for 150 bucks, in short, this is probably the best budget tablet in that sub $200, $300 price range that I have yet to come across. Bruce Naylor, your Boomer Consumer. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.